Welcome to Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Raleigh, and here's an exclusive look at one of our premium vehicles that comes equipped with navigation, weather band radio, keyless entry, rain-sensitive windshield wipers, rear view camera, auto tilt-away steering wheel, leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, ventilated front seats, heated door mirrors, dual front side impact airbags, and has less than 70,000 miles on the odometer. As America's only Rolls-Royce standalone dealership, we are proud to offer our customers a luxury experience when it comes to purchasing a vehicle. We have a world-class staff that is happy to offer service like no other. You can always expect a VIP experience at Rolls-Royce Motor Cars Raleigh. So come see our unique inventory today.